Okay, we're on number 7. It says, given the graph, figure 54, page 138. I do see that, and the function indicate the transition points. Well, I'm looking at the graph, and I'm looking at the function, and I'm going to put the transition points down for you. Before I do anything, I want to point out the domain of this problem here is going to be all the real numbers except somebody, except who? X can't be 0. Let's put the derivative down. Relatively simple to do. It's going to be 3, and that's x to the minus 1, which can be minus 1 over x squared. All right? So it's an easy derivative. All right? So what do I know about this one over here? Well, looking at it, I have to look at it and say, when is it equal to 0? Let's write this down. So 3, by the way, 0 is not in the critical point over here because it's not in the domain of the original problem. So 3 would equal 1 over x squared, or x squared would equal 1/3, or x would equal plus or minus the 1 over the root of 3. So I'm pretty comfortable that I know what these things are now. This is going to be 1 over root 3, f of 1 over root 3. Again, the understanding, this is f of x. And what's this point over here? It's going to be minus 1 over root 3, f of minus 1 over root 3. What's this over here? It's a local min. This one over here is a local max. All right? So I'm going to say that was pretty easy. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the second derivative. And we'll look at the key in momentarily. The second derivative, about concavity, by the way, what's that going to be equal to? Well, if you look at the first derivative, it's just simply 3 minus x to the minus 2. So what do you get there? You can get 2 over x cubed. All right? And by the way, there's no point of inflection here. However, looking at the picture, I do know it's concave up here. And I do know it's concave down over here. And again, you can do sign analysis if you want to see that. All right, let's take a look at it. There is no point of inflection. Let me just see how we did. All right, looking at the K. Were we able to get the first derivative? Let me see if I wrote that down. Well, you know what? I didn't write down explicitly like that, but let me go through that for you. And if I did that, I'm just going to check over here. X squared, then you get 3x squared minus 1. All right, that's what they wrote down over here. Did I write this one down over here? I did. I need to correct this. You're not going to see that. That's prime, double prime over there. Was I able to get the maximum, the local maximum? Let's take a look at that. Yep, right over here. The local minimum, let's take a look at that. You got that right over there, and there's no inflection points. We're good to go. Thank you.